Hey guys, this is Heather from Third Eye Design Studio, and I wanted to show you the new website theme that I designed. It's called the Med Spa website theme, and basically it's for med spas, yoga studios, spas. Just basically has a really feminine feel to it. So that's what it looks like. So if you're somebody that's like doing it yourself, this is a theme you can download and install on your WordPress website with the Divi theme. Or if I also have a Wix version if you like Wix. Or if you want to use this theme and have me customize it, you can do that as well. So I'll drop a link, but it's at studiothirdeye.com, and it's on the done for you semi-custom website design, or it's on the store on studiothirdeye.com. That's spiritual and holistic website design.